Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to delete text vertically in Microsoft Word or Excel, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedures. This is Microsoft Word. Now if I try to select the text, it will always select the vertical one first. However, if I press the Alt key, the Alt key, and then start selecting, you can see that I have only selected 2 characters from the left hand side and now 3 and so on. In case of Microsoft Excel, the same is not possible. However, you can select text from a single column. All you need to do is select an entry, press the shift key and then page down. Similarly, you can select it from below, press the shift key and then page up. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.